Record nyo.
What happened to you? Wait.
Hey, that's me.
Hey, stop.
Go. Wait,
What's happening here?
him.
Alone. John is going crazy. What the heck?
You have a body cam?
What are you doing? Are you drunk?
Can you
I didn't
send
record
it
it,
to
Ma'am
me?
Lau.
Record Toshi.
Do you have records, Sir Toshi?
Send it to me.
Brother, I'm asking you, okay?
Sir John, if you are drunk, please log out the game right now. You are making trouble.
I'm just handcuff him because she's doing taser, and that is for our safety. Sir John,
Hey, John, stop it.
yun na lang.
Stop it, John. Stop it.
What are you doing?
He wants to dismiss, bro.
You want to dismiss.
What you doing, man?
Fuck Mambella.
I'm handcuff him, sir, because sir, he is tasering
Hey,
her.
Toshi, can you send it to me right now?
Ingay. Hindi nga kayo mag-uusap sa ano.
We should call Ma'am Bella.